Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to disable the Google Chrome extension. You can disable or you can remove. So you can remove the extension permanently, or you can disable and you can on whenever you want. That's the tutorial today we're going to learn. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just quickly move on to the video.
So first you just click on the extension box on the top. So just click here and click manage extension. You can go to the extension by this. Another settings was go to the setting here by clicking the three dots. Go to the setting, and here you can see the extension on the bottom, the extension option. You can just click here. You can go to the extension page now. So here the every extensions are here. You can just click remove option to remove the extension. You can see the remove or cancel option or pop up, and you can also disable the extension by clicking here. You can turn it off like an app. So you can just turn it off and there will be no extension here. So here you can see that what are the extensions are enabled and what the extensions are disabled. So this page allows you to enable or disable, or you can remove the extension from this page. Try this and you can enable or disable your favorite extension whenever you want on your Chrome browser.
Friends, if you find this solution in this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Much more content about Google Chrome or Google tips and YouTube tips, Instagram tips, and many more things. We will meet on next super video. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.